Ta-da. Hello guys, today we make 3 hops beer, classic ale beer, because I like IPA beer, but many of you are worried about the infection inside the fermenter. We will use a lot of hops, but directly in the pot, so without any risk of infection. Plus, I will try for you this new yeast from Angel Yeast. A01 is American ale yeast. After I will show you maybe some more information. They said that the perfect range of temperature is between 15 Celsius and 25 Celsius degree. Don't worry, I will write also here in Fahrenheit. So about the yeast we need 2 teaspoons. The other ingredients that I will use are 1,600 grams of Pilsner malt, 100 grams of rye flakes, 1 lemon, 6 liters plus 3 liters of water for sparging our grain, 100 grams of brown sugar, and 3 different kinds of hops. Like I mentioned, I will use 10 grams of Styrian Dana hops, 10 grams of wild hops collected by me in the field, and 10 grams of Fuggle hops. Sorry, I never know the right pronunciation. So first of all we need to cut the lemon. I squeeze it and I put inside the pot, and after we can put the grain. After that we add the lemon, the grain and the flakes. We need to reach the temperature of 52 Celsius degree. Reach this temperature, we turn off the stove, we stir very well, we cover with a lid and we wait 10 minutes. Waiting these 10 minutes, I can show you what they write on their website. So A01 is a typical American ale yeast with a clean, neutral and crispy flavor, highlighting the characteristics and style of malt and hops. But also on the box they write the instruction. Now I'll show you the pictures. So they advise to melt the yeast before in a glass, and when start the fermentation in a glass you can put the yeast directly in the fermenter. Okay, see you in 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we turn on again the stove and we should reach the temperature of 67 Celsius degree. When we reach the temperature, we turn on the stove, we stir very well, we cover with a lid and we wait 50 minutes. After 50 minutes we turn on again the stove and we should reach the temperature of 78 Celsius degree. The same things with the other 3 liters of water that we will use for sparging the grain. When we reach 78 Celsius degree, we turn off the stove and we wait 10-15 minutes. After that we wait 10 minutes with the 3 liters of water in the grain. We collect all our future beer. I put it in the pot. This grain you can use it for your animal. If you have chicken, if you have duck, if you have pigs, you can give as a food. If not, when you make your homemade bread, you can add 20% of this grain. One advice, if you mix them, is better, because sometimes some grain is still not broken or too big and stay outside, become really hard. Now I will do the hopping process in the fireplace. So I will use the wood that I have here in my garage. When the water starts boiling, we should add first the Fuggle, after 20 minutes the wild hops, after 40 minutes the Styrian Dana hops. In total we will open for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes we remove from the fire. We put the pot in a sink with cold water, because we should drop the temperature faster than we can. Remember to check the water after maybe 10 minutes and change it until the beer is at room temperature. When reach the room temperature, we filter it directly in the fermenter. We add the sugar and we stir very well. Mix properly, the sugar should melt. And now, before checking the original gravity, we prepare the starter. The advice here, the instruction that I showed you earlier, in rehydratation instruction say to take a glass like this, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of yeast and wait until the fermentation starts in the glass. They say more or less 15-20 minutes. Original gravity 1044. I don't know if you've noticed, there is already foam here in the glass, so the yeast is ready. Now I will put the yeast in the fermenter. I will close with the lid. On the top of the lid I put the airlock, inside the airlock some whiskey. Tomorrow I will update you. After 6 hours the fermentation was running very well, but was dark. Now is early in the morning, so after 12 hours the fermentation is perfect. You can notice the foam on the top and the airlock that is bubbling very well. I will update you at the end of the fermentation. Some people will say, why you are putting your beer in the bottles? Your fermenter is still in pressure, like you can notice from the airlock. Don't worry, if your fermenter is done properly, well sealed, we keep the pressure. Same principle of the bottles. We put the sugar in the bottles, we put the beer, there will be a re-fermentation in the bottle. When the sugar finishes, the fermentation too, but the pressure remains. Same with your fermenter. So now the fermentation is done, more or less, because it's after 9 days. But still there is pressure. How we can know if the fermentation is concluded? You can check the final gravity. If the final gravity is around 1000, here they suggest between 996 and 1006, you can bottle your beer or your wine. But let's check the final gravity. Final gravity 1004. If you remember, the original gravity was 1044. The difference is 40 divided by the coefficient, that is 7.5. The alcohol content at the moment is 5.3 plus 0.5%. The final alcohol content will be 5.8%. Why we need to add this 0.5? Because we add the sugar in the bottle for the refermentation. Remember, in the bottles is better than in the fermenter. These bottles are 500 ml, so I will add maximum 5 grams of sugar. And after we should wait 2 weeks for the refermentation in the bottles. Now I bottle my beer, and after I let you know how many liters of beer you can get with these ingredients. With this ingredient we made 5.5 liters of beer. Okay, see you in 2 weeks for the tasting. First.
Sparging. Let me show it home. Yes, it's powering, it's nice. It's nice, very nice.
Spettacolo.
Sì, spettacolo.
For me it's spectacular, it's good, it's a bit sweet.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Bitter.
For sure, one of the better ones you made. No, it's very nice. It is. It's quite fruity as well. A nice, very nice color.
So probably also is the yeast that for the ale. So it's working properly. It's very sparkling. Like I like it. So okay, it's a good choice. And if you buy a package like this, you will have yeast for your life because it's a half kilogram. But it's more for people that do as a company, I think. Yeah, also the color.
No, the foam is very nice and thick. Very nice.
Finally, maybe with all these hops, the foam stays. Usually disappear in a few seconds. Okay guys, see you in the next video. If you are not subscribed yet, remember to subscribe to the channel, to give me a like, to watch or share this video with your friends. If you have some question about the yeast, about the hops, about the beer, let me know down in the comment. Bye bye.
Bye. It's a little bit strong as well, huh? How many?
No.
No,
Yeah, 5.8.
You can taste. It's strong.
Yeah.